Hello everyone, let me introduction myself. My name is Diansa Ahmad Marifatullah. Today I would like to present my extensive listening assignment. The listening material that I choose is how to talk about your brain really easy English. And the listening material comes from BBC Learning English on YouTube. BBC Learning English is one of the most popular English learning platforms because it provides authentic English conversation, clear pronunciation, and useful vocabulary for learners around the world. And the reason for choosing the material, I choose this video for three reasons. Number three is the topic is interesting because everyone use their brain every day, but many people do not know how to talk about in English. Number second, the speakers use clear pronunciation, making it easier for me to understand the conversation. And number three, I want to learn new vocabulary relate to the brain, memory, thinking, and learning because these words are useful in both academic and daily conversation. In the pre-listening, before watching the video, I read the title and predict what the topic will be about. Then I prepare a notebook to read important vocabulary. And while watching the video, I focus on the speaker's pronunciation and took notes of important information. When I found difficult parts, I replay the video and use English subtitle. And post listening, after finishing the video, I review my notes, search for unfamiliar words in a dictionary, dictionary and wrote a short summary my own words. And the final and finally I watched the video one more times without subtitle to test my understanding. And the content or summary, the video explain how to talk about the brain using natural English expression. The speakers introduce useful vocabulary relate to memory, concentration, thinking, and learning. They explain that the brain control everything we do, including our thought, emotion, memory, and decisions. The video also teaches several expressions that native English speakers often use when talking about remembering or forgetting something. Another important message in the video is that we should keep our brain health. The speakers mention several quotes habits as getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, eating healthy food, and learning new skill. Learning English is also a good exercise for the brain because it improves memory, concentration, and problem solving skills. And overall, the video is informative, easy to understand, and useful for information English learners. Reflection. This topic is closely related to my daily life. As a university student, I have to study many subjects, remember information, complete achievement, and prepare for examination. After watching this video, I realized that keeping my brain healthy is very important. I also learned the practicing English every day is not only useful for improving my language skills, but also for training my brain to think more effectively. This video motivates me. This video motivates me to develop better study habit and continue improving my English. How extensive listening helps me. This listening activity has given me benefit. It enhances my listening comprehension because I become more familiar with natural English conversation. It also interests my vocabulary and helps me understand correct pronunciation. Besides that, I become more confident when listening to native speakers. I believe that practicing extensive listening regularly will improve my overall English skills and problem and strategies. During this activity, I experienced several challenges. The first challenge was understanding fast speech. The number second challenge was unfamiliar vocabulary. To overcome these problems, I replayed difficult parts several times, use English subtitle, wrote down new vocabulary, and checked the meaning in a dictionary. I also practicing listening regularly using BBC Learning English videos. The strategies help me improve my listening skills little by little. In conclusion, how to talk about your brain really easy English is an interesting and useful listening material. It teaches practical English expression while providing valuable information about keeping our brain healthy. This activity has improved my listening comprehension, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence in speaking English. And then thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful day.